That's not a sticker set, that's traditional custom painting. I spent the last days to paint these wheels in a traditional way over Christmas for one of you, the lucky winner. But before we choose the winner, we have to check out how I painted these wheels, so let's start. What I did is removing the decals by hand sanding. I used some nitro thinner to remove the base color of the decals. Here I used Adobe Illustrator and my sign maker to do all these graphics and stencils. These are all the stencils for the white areas. I had to mask all these black fields. And it's not as easy as it seems. It took some time to do the calculation. And I masked the edges separately, so no color can leak underneath these edges. That's the first base coat of white. Next step is marking all these white outlines and to pick the numbers for the red fields. That takes some patience to apply all these numbers. Next step is try and color. And I applied thin layers of the red. I cut the next set of numbers for the black fields. I stick them on and use the airbrush to spray these numbers in white. And to give these wheels a personal touch, I didn't use the zero in the green field, I used my personal logo. I masked the logo and sprayed the green. Last step, removing all the masking from the red fields. And it's starts to look like a roulette wheel. To seal the artwork, I have to apply clear coat, a two-component system with a matte finish. Yeah, and that's it. That's how you paint these wheels. Looks easy, but it isn't. That took some time. 5 days and 1 day for the clear coat. That's what I had to invest. But yeah, now it's the time you waited for. I have to pick a winner who wins these wheels. So good luck to all of you, and let's pick the winner. What I'm using is the random comment picker, so good luck to all of you. I have to type in the URL. I like to filter all the double votings, so only one voting for one of you. No double votings accepted. And yeah, we have to filter it. And all of you who typed in hyper have the chance to win these wheels. So let's type in hyper. Now let's get the comments. (1,296) comments. And yeah, good luck to all of you who voted. And now let's start the raffle. Ooh. And the winner is PK Motorsports. PK Motorsports, you are the winner. Congratulations. And to all others out there, don't be sad. I have heard there will be a lot of cool things in 2022 on this channel. So if I were you, I would subscribe. And PK Motorsports, send me them within the next 10 days to my Insta or Facebook. Let me know your address and I'll send you the wheels. And if I don't get a response, I have to pick another winner. So make sure you are fast. 10 days for you, PK Motorsports, to let me know your details and your address. And to all others out there, stay tuned. I have also cool things in 2022 and another chance in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in all of my future custom painting projects. Goodbye.